song goes out to anyone who thinks it don't matter. Just wanna let you know that you do. Let's go. Think you ain't good enough, stop
It's
it.
your boy once again. I'm Wiz Wisdom and I'm alone today, so no one home. So basically today I'm gonna prank my boys today. So let's go outside. Let me show you what's the prank today. So guys, right now he's in the house. So yeah, I'm gonna get him. So yo, he's gonna be mad, bro. Yo. So right now I'm gonna get him and start with the prank. So yeah, let's go. So guys, right now he's in the house. So please go and get him, boy. So let's show them. Come, let's show them. So boom. He didn't see that coming. So yeah, go and fetch him. Keep the camera low, hey?
God, boy. We keep it locked. It is what it is. Come on, boy. Yo, little two, what's up, man?
What's up, brother?
Sure. Come through. Wisdom wants to show you something, boy.
So inside the bucket I got the bait, dog.
The bed.
The bait. So I want you to grab it as fast as you can.
Open.
Are you ready?
Open, man.
Are you ready?
Open.
1, 2, 3,
Open.
go!
Fuck you.
What's up, boy? What's happening?
Don't talk to me.
Boy. Now you're in. This boy is tripping. What happened, boy?
Yo, I got him good, dog. I got him. Yeah, guys, that was today's prank. So I got him good. He's really mad. So stay tuned, guys, for more videos. Please subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notifications, guys. Please, guys. Thanks for the support, guys. So let's see if I can get 5 subscribers in one day, guys. Please. So yeah, I'm gonna upload. Peace.
This song goes out to anyone who thinks it don't matter. Just wanna let you know that you do. Let's go. Think you ain't good enough, stop that.
Think you ain't beautiful? Stop that.
Think you ain't worth it, stop that. Think you ain't loved for, stop that.
Bully who you want, better stop that. Making people sad, you can stop that.
Giving people love, don't stop that. Taking people's lives, you can stop that. I myself, you is you. Don't let nobody get through. They can talk.